Ciao, Old Smelders here, and today we are talking about number one must-have plugin on every WordPress website, especially if you have some sort of membership plugin or you are sell something via WooCommerce. So let me show you what the plugin is and what it does. Let's go to our website and find the search bar. In the search bar, don't type anything in, simply click enter. And as you can see, we are getting all our posts and pages in our search results. As I'm using WooCommerce, I have pages like shop, cart, checkout, my account, and there is also privacy policy, could be terms and conditions, and many other pages, even if you're using some sort of membership and you have some hidden like kind of content. So how to hide those pages from the search result and make it clean for your visitors? There is one small plugin which can do this trick. So let's go to our admin panel and add new plugin. And in the search, simply type in search exclude. And this guy here, small, nice plugin, do big tricks. Click activate, and it's done. Now we will go back to pages. And let's say I want to hide my cart page from the search results. I will show you, as there is a couple ways how we can do this. As you can see here already, it shows that all our pages are visible at the moment. So first option will be, if we are using block editor, I will show you how it looks like there. We can edit pages block editor. It's so slow. And there we have new option now, exclude from search results. Just click this one in, click update, and let's go back. As you can see, it's now hidden. So let's do the same with checkout page, but this time I will use classic editor. And now this option is here. Again, simply click it in, update, and it's there. It's hidden. Okay, we have page account as well. Let's say I want to hide this page as well, and there is quick edit. In quick edit we have option here, we can click there and it's gonna do the same again. It's again hidden. And if you want to do with bulk edit, you can do this as well. Let's say I want to hide my privacy policy and shop page as well. I'll just edit, apply, and now that option is here. I can hide it or show. So hide, update, and let's go back to our search results. Let's do the trick again, and boom, as you can see, we have nice clean search results and everything else is just hidden. Let's say there is a situation when you don't have a search bar on your website and you think, oh well, I don't need that plugin because I don't have a search bar. Really, you need to think about that, because there is option how I can get the same result if I simply click slash, question mark and small s. I will get the same search results without any search bar. So if the content protection for you is important and you don't want to show this to everyone, you must have this plugin on your website. So that's it about this plugin. If you like it, click the like button. If you want to show to your friends, just share it. If you want to see more content from me, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao. Video recording, that's not easy.